Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record trades on MetaTrader 5. If you want to keep a clean record of your completed trades, MetaTrader 5 makes that process very straightforward. Saving your trade history can be useful for performance tracking, reviewing past decisions, sharing results with an accountant or mentor, or simply keeping your own backup outside the platform. Keeping a proper trading record is an important habit, because it allows you to understand your performance over time. By reviewing your previous trades, you can identify patterns, recognize mistakes, and see which strategies are working best for you. I'll walk you through the exact process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. First, open MetaTrader 5 and look toward the bottom section of the platform. You'll need to go to the Toolbox panel below. This is where MetaTrader keeps several important tabs related to your account activity, including trades, exposure, news, mailbox, and account history. The Toolbox is one of the most useful areas in MetaTrader 5 because it gives you access to important information about your account, including your current positions and your completed trading activity. If the Toolbox is not currently visible on your screen, make sure you bring up the lower panel before continuing. Once you're in the Toolbox, select the History tab. This is the section that shows your completed trading activity, rather than trades that are still open. It's the main place to review what has already been executed and closed in your account. This History section gives you a complete overview of your past trades. You can use it after a trading session to review what happened, compare your results with your trading plan, and keep track of your progress. Next, right-click anywhere inside the History window. A menu will appear, and from there, you can choose the time period you want to view. For example, you might select Today if you only want to see trades from the current day, Last Month if you want a broader recent summary, or Custom Period if you need to define a specific date range yourself. Choosing the correct time range is important, because the report you save will reflect whatever trade history is currently being displayed. For example, if you are preparing a monthly performance review, selecting the correct month ensures that your exported report includes all relevant trades from that period. After selecting your time period, take a moment to review your completed trades. In this History section, you can check key details, such as your entry and exit prices, whether each trade ended in profit or loss, and any additional costs, like commissions or swap charges. Reviewing these details before saving the reports can help you catch any mistakes and gives you a clearer understanding of your overall trading performance. This is a good time to confirm that everything looks accurate before exporting the record. When you're ready to save your trade history, right-click again inside the History tab and select Report or Save as Report. Either option will let you create a file containing the trade information shown in that window. This is especially helpful if you want a document you can store, print, or open outside MetaTrader later. Having an external copy of your trade history can also be useful if you use multiple platforms, work with a trading coach, or want to analyze your results using other tools, such as spreadsheets. Finally, choose a location on your computer and save the report. Pick a folder that's easy to remember so you can quickly find your trade records in the future. A good practice is to organize your reports by month or year, making it easier to compare your trading results and track your long-term improvement. Once saved, you'll have a recorded copy of your trading history from MetaTrader 5. That's it. You've successfully recorded your trades on MetaTrader 5. By regularly saving and reviewing your trade history, you can build better trading discipline, make more informed decisions, and continue improving your overall strategy.